How to add two WhatsApp accounts in one phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can add two different WhatsApp accounts in one phone. Now the process itself is relatively easy and quite simple as well, so let me guide you through. First things first, you'll have to make sure that your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Now since WhatsApp has recently rolled out a feature on which you can use two different accounts in your WhatsApp, or you can switch in between your accounts. Now how you can do so? Simply open up WhatsApp once you have updated it. Tap on the three dots option that you'll find at the top right corner of your screen, and there you want to head into the option that says settings. Now under settings you can see the very first option that says account right below your profile name. You can simply tap on account, and at the account, if you see there above the delete account option, the second last option, you'll be able to see the option that says add account. Simply tap on add account and then again tap on add account, and it'll take you to log into other accounts. Simply tap on agree and continue, and now you can enter in your phone number, your country code, and then go ahead and log in to your different account. And next time you'll be able to just switch in between the account without having to log in. So this way you can add two WhatsApp accounts in one phone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.